Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove shortcut from desktop Windows 11. To start, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Now you are going to go to the Themes section. Once here, click on Desktop Icon Settings. To check, activate the boxes of some icons, click on Apply and OK. You can see these shortcuts available on the desktop. Open Settings again, click on Desktop Icon Settings. Now you are going to uncheck these boxes and you can apply the changes. As you can see, now these shortcuts will not be visible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.